Hey folks, Jocko Sims here. Guess what? I've got some exciting news for y'all. Military Kids Have Talent was so nice we had to do it twice. That's right. I'm teaming up with the Elizabeth Dole Foundation once again for a virtual competition unlike any other, specifically for America's youngest heroes. Now, our goal here is simple. We want to celebrate all the incredible and unique talents our country's military and veteran kids and survivors have to offer. Now, whether it's dancing, hula hooping, dunking, cooking, painting, drumming, singing, whatever it is, we want to see what you've got. So enter for a chance to be featured on our show this summer and take home some unbelievable prizes. Go to hiddenheroes.org/talent to submit your talent. Again, that's hiddenheroes.org/talent. And be on the lookout for more details from the Elizabeth Dole Foundation about how you and your family and your friends can all tune in to the show this summer and vote for your favorites. All right, military kids, it's time for you to shine. Show us what you got.